Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make a drive hook. Forge is heating up. And it's just a little Champion forge with the Champion 400 blower on it, hand crank blower. But yeah, I just got the fire lit. It's glowing nice and bright down there. Yeah, pumping some heat out. And yes, it is snowing outside. So this is a drive hook. Just a little hook that you pound into the wall and do a nice little hook. And I have them hanging like everywhere in my shed. And yeah, some S hooks and junk. So just got a tripod here, and you guys can see how to make one. This is just some scrap steel. It's kind of junky, but hey, it's steel. While this is heating up, I'm gonna cut that. Oh crap. Alright, I had it set up because I was brazing something, so I had it set up so that I didn't use the shot of oxygen. Alright. Now that is hot, so I'll flip that around so I don't touch that end. And one end is pretty much already glowing, so that's good. Put that right into that coal. Yeah, just making sure you guys are still in the shot. I was just forging it square because it's round bar. So I was just forging one end of it square, so that when you pound it in the wall, it doesn't pivot back and forth, which you don't want. Boy, if it would stop snowing, it'd be a lot better. I'm gonna get some more videos today because I'm heading out to the farm. So I'm gonna be out there with my buddy. So we're probably gonna maybe feed the cows and stuff like that. And if I remember to bring a camera, I'll videotape it. Last video I did out at the farm was moving his Chevy Custom Deluxe and his and putting away the 74. Yeah, and I actually also started the 27 while we were out there. But yeah, the 27 was rebuilt last winter. All new junk on it. New pistons, rings, crankshaft, valves, all that junk. I'll show you this cylinder shot. Yep. Well, I guess there's a piece of bituminous in there that's just gonna burn up. Oh well. Yeah, my mom's going away on the weekend with some of her buddies and stuff, and she said, hey, bring as much crap as you can, because I'll sell all of it. So, the other day I made a handful of nails and stuff like that, and I've got some hooks and stuff in the bag, and some other junk, miscellaneous junk. It's lying around here somewhere. I'll find a lot of it, and it'll all go in the thing of stuff to sell bag. And if you guys want anything, those dry hooks I sell for $5. So if you'd like one, take an envelope, or a thing that you ship it in, and ship it to me with a return address and a another package inside so I can return it to you, and I'll with the money in it, and I'll put it in the mail and send it back to you. So if you want anything, let me know. Nails I sell for 50 cents a piece. The bigger spikes, I call them, I sell for $1, but yeah. burning anthracite coal mixed with a little bit of coke. It seems to be doing pretty good. I'm like looking around for a little fire poker I made. But, oh, I'm looking for that too. I find crap all the time when I do this. Oh, what else did I have in here that I wanted? There's something else in here I wanted to show you guys, but I can't remember what it was. Oh, now I remember what it was, and I probably can't find it. Oh, there they are. Better heat back up now to cool down. What I wanted to show you guys was a pair of tongs that I made. First pair I ever made. They're nice tongs. You know, they're just simple things made out of bar 3/8. You can actually use a bit of oil. I have an oil can off my oil can collection shelf. Got like 2 dozen oil cans. There we go, that's a little scroll. Now I'm gonna make the curl part to the hook. My little ash rockers thing doesn't work anymore, and the handle's missing too. So I just tap it with a hammer, and that gets it to old ash fall out. Wire brush. Alright, now there's the hook part that you hang stuff on. So Now up here, I'm going to flip the piece around and do the other part, which is the part you pound into the wall. There's some threads on there from a nut that went on there because these were from a ladder. This one's still complete. You know, the big wooden step ladders. They have the things on either end underneath the steps, and you know, it was an old wooden ladder we had laying around, and we burned it because it was falling apart. And me being the guy I am, I just went through and plucked out the metal bars. I already used a lot of them. The steel's kind of rusty and junk because they laid there in ash for a while, but for some odd reason I just started making stuff out of them. You know, I've got a lot of cable up there in 75 feet of 3/8 inch bar, but hey, I'd rather use free stuff rather than stuff I have to pay for. Normally doesn't take this long to heat stuff up, but it's 12 degrees outside today. It's snowing and stuff, so everything's especially cold. If my shed was heated, it'd be a lot nicer, but it's not. I thought about putting a little wood stove in here, but screw it. I'm only going to need it in the winter. In the summer, it just takes up space. These big, huge hunks of coke. And here I got to get a couple of them going. That coke will burn and burn and burn and burn and burn forever. Making the anvil shiny because gets a little bit of like surface rust along the top of it. I mean, it takes years and years and years and years and years and more years for those things to actually start to pit rust. But you know, you always get a little fine, thin layer of rust across there that you start hammering on it, and the anvil face of it gets all nice and shiny again. But yeah, it's about 110, 115 pound anvil. We weighed it out at the farm, and the scale out there goes up to 100. And we put it on there and maxed it out at 100. So you know, it you know, when 100 said max, so that means that it's over 100 pounds. But I'm not figuring it's much far over that. Coal smoke does not taste good, or smell good. Come on, Am I supposed to take my fan so long? Alright. I'm going really slow. I could have made this in like 10 minutes, but I didn't. I just wanted to take a lot longer so I could show you guys. Now I'm going to cool the tip of it down in the snow. So that it doesn't heat up as fast, so I can heat up the other part of it to make the back bend part, the part you hammer in. Okay, see, here's the drive hook. I already made this, except for I put a little scroll on there, and I already put the bend in there. I just forged the tip, this piece you pound in the piece that goes in the wall, and right now I'm going to forge the bend here, which this you hit with the hammer and pound it into a wall, and you get a nice hook hanging out. It's almost up to temp. The center of this forge, where the main fire is, probably temperature-wise, 5,000 to 6,000 degrees. But you might have the thermometer. It's like the little thermocouple thing you can plug into there. We put it in there, it got up to like 2,600, and the temperature started going down. The probe melted. It was so hot. Now next step is I'm going to heat it up, put it in the hardy hole, and bend it out. And then do a little bit of straightening, coat it in beeswax, and it'll be done. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's cold out here. I keep checking to make sure the battery's not dead on the camera. Because it does not like the cold, and that's a fact. There's one thing down at the Pioneer Steam and Gas Engine Society down in Sagertown. They have a Champion 400 blower on their Champion Forge, and guy Brian, I know, he's the one who taught me how to blacksmith, and ooh, that was actually a bit too hot. Alrighty. And that's the drive hook. All done. It's one long nail, so that one's going to be pretty heavy duty. I'm going to cool it down slightly. Prepare it for beeswax. Because the beeswax, we gotta have it get too hot, so I'm just gonna lay that right there so that water can evaporate. Cool it down just a little bit too much. Where did I even put my beeswax? I can't even remember where I put it. Oh, there it is. I guess I never grabbed it. Alrighty, there we go. This steel looks nice when I put the whatchamacallit on there. When I put the beeswax on there, it looks nice. Come on. Oh, there we go. I couldn't get the little latch done hook. See if I can get that to focus on there. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go. It's not wanting to focus on it. No, I guess so right there. I guess it kind of did. But, yeah, that looks nice and clean. And what I do is when you're done, take it, and I just hang it right there on the rack, and prepare to make another one. Although I can crank these out in about 10 minutes. You know, maybe a little bit less than that. Never really timed it. But, you know, this time I took it real slow to explain and to show you guys how to do it. But, and I've got nails. You see more nails, more drive hooks, some little hooks. I have my price list. S hooks $5, drive hooks $8. Nails 50 cents to $1, pins $6, and other miscellaneous junk that I make. But yeah, here's like a fire poker I made. You know, I make all kinds of stuff. Here's the first fire poker I ever made. Just simple loop on one end, bend piece of 3/8. You know, and I also have my dipper can for bituminous. I split the end down there, and there you go. And I just put a hook on there for going into water and scooping up a thing of water. And there's holes in the bottom of the can. And that's for cooling your fire down, and also putting water on bituminous so it can be. So it turns it to coke. Don't need the fan no more. But I also make what are those called? Toasting forks. I also make toasting forks the same way, except for instead of bending them in down there for the can, I just make them straight. But anyways, you like these videos? Let me know. I'll do a video on this soon. Snowblower I got. It's my dad's old snowblower. He pretty much gave it to me because mine, you know, is kind of going bad. But this one needs a bit of work. It's puffing air out of the carburetor, and the valves are still opening and closing. So I don't know stay. I don't know why it's doing that, but anywho, I guess rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you like these videos. If you like them, I'll make more videos on how I make knives and little hooks and stuff for twisting my twisting wrench. You know, how to make, like, you know, eyes and stuff, and drive hooks and nails. You let me know, I'll show you guys how to make stuff. I can do a video on how I made these little tongs too. You know, let me know. I'll do videos. Although I'm not gonna do it very much in the winter because it sucks. But I mean, you're nice and warm staying next to 3,000 degrees of forge. But you know, let me know. I'll do videos. Anywho, rate, comment, subscribe.